Hello, in front of me I have Huawei Watch GT Runner, and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the home button. After you wake up the screen, press the home button again to open the menu. Now scroll down, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called sound and vibration and tap on it. And here scroll down, find the vibration option and tap on it. And right here, as you can see, we have the list of vibration intensity levels. So we have strong, soft and off. Select the level you like and then tap on the OK button to confirm. And then you can press the home button to go back to home screen. And that's how you change the vibration intensity levels on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.